We've made it to Florida, and our first night is at the Rosen Inn, Lake Buena Vista, where they're undergoing some improvements. Just a bit of Texie dust. The Rosen Inn in Lake Buena Vista, one of their newly decorated rooms, they've got hardwood floors now. That's an update since the last time we stayed here. Nice comfy bed. You have your TV and a desk. There's plenty of room. And then down here, we have our closet. Woohoo! Hi! There is plenty of storage in this place. And then over here, you have your microwave and a refrigerator and a beautiful little vanity with lots of room. And a hair dryer, so you don't have to pack your hair dryer. And part of what I really love about this room, the barn doors. I love a good barn door. Especially when someone's using the restroom and they're stinky. Now, we always bring an extra blankie for my mama because we like to sleep cold and she likes to sleep warm. So the room doesn't come with the stitch blanket or all our stuff, but it gives you an idea of how much stuff you can fit in this room. And the Rosen Inn Lake Buena Vista is usually, even with taxes, $75 or less a night. So it makes it a very affordable choice. Warning, bathroom footage ahead. And it's a bathroom with a toilet and a shower and a tub. There is a security gate and security on site, which is nice for such a value resort.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!